All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. Hello to my fellow GPU miners and crypto enthusiasts. Hello to all my subscribers. Hello to my new subscribers. Appreciate that very much. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget, everybody, to enter my $25 Bitcoin giveaway. It's located on the YouTube page under my Bitcoin giveaway video. All the details can be found there. If you have any comments or questions, or if you want me to look into a project to GPU mine, please let me know in the comment section. And so today I want to talk about Nibble Classic. What is Nibble Classic? Nibble-nibble.com is their webpage. I'll have that in the description of the video. So here on Getting Started, blockchain tech, it uses the Cryptonight-Lite algorithm. It's CPU, GPU, and also web browser mineable. Mine directly from your home PC laptop rig. We're going to use a rig, of course, today. Storing your Nibble, you can use their NBXC Carbon wallet. I'll get into that in a second. And it's on some exchanges, which we'll get to also in a second. What is Nibble Classic? It is a blockchain-based currency. The currency can only be brought into circulation through the process of mining. There can only ever be a maximum of 210 million complete units in circulation. Each block has a target of 150 seconds, giving a reward which constantly reduces. The purpose of our project is to introduce people to the world of cryptocurrency in a simplistic way. We keep every aspect simple, from mining to buying products, giving you the ability to acquire and use cryptocurrency with ease. The coin specs: proof of work, Cryptonight-Lite algorithm, ticker NBXC, block time 150 seconds, block reward 200 NBXC with implemented reduction per block, max supply again 210 million. Keeping crypto simple. So Nibble Classic, 100 nibbles equals 1 NBXC. It goes out 2 decimal places. And it compares it to the Bitcoin and I guess the pound for fiat comparison. So here you have the wallets. Pick your appropriate one. I chose the NBXC Carbon wallet, GUI wallet. Some donations. Here are the developers, which are anonymous. So what you have, let's move on. So here's blockchain explained. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, that will give you an explanation of what blockchain is. Here's some downloads. Let's go to that. Brings you to the wallets. Social media links. Here's the web miner. If you're interested in mining from your web browser, click on that link. Here are the pools, the nodes explorer. Let's click on that. Here are the pools, the links to the pools. Public nodes. If you want to run a public node, you need yourself some extra Nibble, get in touch on Discord. You have the link to the Discord channel there. Here are the exchanges, in case you want to buy some or if you want to sell it. Links to the CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Coinbase, Nibble Classic are on the following exchanges here. This goes over the ranking and the trading volume. So like I said, I'm just doing a quick overview. If you'd like to learn more about it in depth, here's the white paper here. You can read about it and also their roadmap. Take a quick peek at that. See what they have on their roadmap. So here's what they've done in 2019. Website 100%, social media 100%, Windows, Linux, and Mac version 100%, Windows, Linux, and Mac GUI wallets 100%, exchange listing 100%. In the future, these are the things they want to do. For example, faucet, web browser miner, web store, esports. So it looks like they've already done 3 out of the 4 of these things. The esports, which is part of their ecosystem, is a prize payout tournaments added. More tournaments to be added through 2020. I'm assuming that they're paying out in nibbles. Let's go back to the main page of their website. So here are their esports. You can click on that if you're interested in it. And here's shop. It looks like they have an online store. And I'm assuming that you're paying merchandise and nibbles, for merchandise and nibbles. All right, so that's going to be it for their webpage. Let's move on to their Discord. They have some interesting information here. If you want to read more about it, or if you want to contact somebody on the project, if you have a question or a comment, here's some things that they've released their wallet, some announcements, some exchanges, talk about pools that are available to miners, some GitHub and updates. This is the esports information if you want to look at that, if you're interested in it. Here are the coin specs, some useful links in the social feed. So when you get a chance, if you want to check into that, look into more in-depth part of the project, go here. Let's move on to the pool. I'm using NBXC mining pool, fastpool.xyz, and this is getting started. I'll leave the link to this pool in the description of this video. So here's the mining pool address, fastpool.xyz. Your algorithm is Cryptonight-Lite. Of course, you want to get a wallet and get your public address to mine to. I'm going to be using port 10,031. So let's go to simple mining. As you can see, I'm mining successfully here, and I'm getting shares on Fastpool. So let's go to configuration. So in Cryptonite-Lite, you're using the xmrig miner. I'm using NVIDIA, so I'm using xmrig-NVIDIA. Here is the command line here. So you have -A, which is the algorithm you're using, Cryptonite-Lite, -O. After that, you want to put your pool address and the port. Like I said, pool address, fastpool.xyz, port 10,031. -U, after that, you're putting your address here. This is mine. You want to trade off mine for yours and put your address in here. -P is a password. You're just using X for that. So the name, Nibble Classic. Under notes, I put xmrig. I'm using 9.1 and I'm on Fastpool. Oops. So go back to configure. And you're going to go down to xmrig-Nvidia. And as you can see here, Cryptonite algorithm supported here. And I'm going to use 9.1, but use what you want to use. And group name, I usually put the project's name and the pool and the miner I'm using in group description. Feel free to do what you want there. So down here, on all these miners, on Simple Mining at least, you can pick this more info button and you get useful information. So it explains what -A is, or --algo. It means it's the algorithm you're using. So here, for this project, we're using Cryptonite-Lite. And you can see that xmrig-Nvidia is what you want to use for Cryptonite, Cryptonite-Lite, or Cryptonite Heavy. So we're using Cryptonite-Lite. And it goes some other useful command line prompts here. Again, -U is the username, or it's your public address to mine to. All right, so moving on. Like I said, put this command line, put your address in this command line, put it in that prompt for the miner configuration. And as you can see again, we are successfully mining Nibble Classic. If you're interested in mining it. That's the information you need to know. And of course, you can use any kind of pool you want. I just have to switch around the pool address and the port. I'm not promoting this pool or anything like that. You can just use whatever one you want. So I hope this helps everybody. I hope this gets you up and running quick if you're interested in Nibble Classic. Have you heard of it? Let me know. Have you mined it before? Are you mining it? What do you think of the project? Any other kind of relevant information that I missed? Please enter it in the comment section. I appreciate it. And also, again, don't forget to enter my giveaway. $25 in Bitcoin, free entry. The descriptions, the details of that are located in the description part of that video I have on my YouTube channel. Again, please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.